Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where to find promotions in the Caesar's rewards application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you're done with that and you are in the home page, you should look down below and in the middle you will find the do and see section. Press on it, and if you look up there you can see that we are currently in the dining section, and if you swipe to the right you can see here the promotions one. You can just press on it and here you will be able to find promotions. Now in this case there is only one promotion. You can see here the Caesar Sportsbook. You can just press on it and read about it a little bit, and you can also check it out, basically the row in the Google Maps where to find it and everything. So pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.